What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out the video here with me. If you've paid attention at all to the ClearCryptos coin price, I mean, you can see what it's doing. It's absolutely been exploding. You know, it's right now, I would say, the best chart in crypto, at least at the time of making this video. Hopefully that continues to be the case. Now, that being said, you know, everybody obviously loves price go up, right? Especially if you have some skin in the game, you're probably loving how you're doing right now. But at the same time, I don't want us to lose sight of the bigger picture. Okay. The chart is great. Again, the coin is great, but that's just a small part of what ClearCryptos is and what it's doing. Okay. We know that there's bigger things that are going to be coming down the line. Okay. Because ClearCryptos, as far as the launch goes, it's only 7 days old at the time of making this video. So it might be about 10, 11 days old, something like that by the time you guys see this. So I think it's important that you know that there are other things coming. ClearCryptos is going to be a vast ecosystem. Okay. We know that the swap is out. You know, it's been lightning fast. It's been working great. There's a fiat on-ramp. I mean, you can load, you know, crypto on here from a credit card. I mean, there's not other places that are really doing that. You know, there's the whole video library on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. There's tons of useful information on there, especially if you are new to the space, because that's what ClearCryptos is geared towards. It's geared towards people that are new to the space, that want to learn how to do things easily, efficiently, and the right way. There's going to be, you know, the DEX tools type platform that's coming. It's so innovative. There's so much information there. It's so user-friendly. It's so quick. And that still has yet to launch. There's all these things that are coming that you guys don't even know yet. You know, when we talk about regulation in crypto, we obviously know that it's coming. Well, ClearCryptos is such a big player in the space. There's an opportunity to have a seat at the table to help guide that regulation in the right direction, to make sure things are done the right way. Obviously, ClearCryptos has, you know, the NASCAR team that has huge, awesome, you know, people in it, like Cesar Baccarello. Okay. He's awesome. I've had the luxury of meeting him. He's such an awesome guy. He's so smart. He's so driven. And he's helped create this awesome NASCAR team that we are lucky enough to have the ClearCryptos logo on. There's all these things that are coming, and you're just getting a small glimpse at this point into the things that are going to be happening. So again, the price is great. Okay. We all love where it's at. This has been, you know, even better than expected. But don't forget, there is a bigger vision coming. So make sure you guys follow on Twitter. Make sure you're in the Discord. Make sure you pay attention to the announcements that come, because we are just getting started. Now, as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out the video. If you haven't already, make sure you show your support for the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay notified anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we really hope to catch you. Really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.